Hello friends, welcome to PharmaChem Inside. In today's video, we are going to see the IUPAC nomenclature part 2. This is for alkene compounds. So let's get started. So let us see example 1. We have seen already the rules for alkane compounds. For alkenes, there is little bit of addition and we will see while solving the problem. So first rule, we need to select the longest continuous carbon chain, which is this. Again, we have to consider that alkene should be a part of that parent chain or the longest continuous carbon chain. The number of carbon atoms in this particular compound is 5. So it is pentene. Ene is the suffix used for alkene compounds. Now let us number them. We can number like this or from the other end. Now this alkene should get the least possible number and hence the numbering which is written in blue is correct one. So let us solve this now. Name this. It is a pent 2-ene. We need to mention the position number for that double bond with the hyphen in between. So this is how it is named. Let's go to the next example 2. Let us select the longest continuous carbon chain, which is this. The number of carbon in this chain is 4, so it is butene. Now let us number. We can number from this end or the other end, but numbering which is written in blue is correct because the alkene is getting the least number, which is number 1. So this is the correct method of numbering. Now we have one substituent, methyl substituent at position 2, and hence the name of the compound is 2-methyl but 1-ene. En is the suffix for alkene compounds, 1 is the position of double bond. Let's move to next. Example 3, let us select the longest continuous carbon chain containing double bond of alkene. So this is the longest chain. Let us see how much carbon atom. So there are 4 carbon atoms, so it is butene. Now from both the ends, the carbon or double bond alkene is getting numbered, is at second position. So numbering with both the end could be correct, but there is one methyl group. So this is the correct way of numbering, as alkene is getting the least number, which is our first priority. Then the alkyl substituent is getting the least number, and hence numbering with the written in blue is correct. So the name for this compound would be 2-methyl but 2-ene. Okay, let's move to next example. Example 4. Okay, very interesting. So the longest carbon chain we have selected, which contains the double bond. Now let us see how many carbon atoms. It has 5 carbon atoms, and we can number either with this end, which is written in green, or from the opposite end, which is written in brown color. The numbers with color green are correct way to number because the alkene is getting the least possible number, which is at second. So this numbering is correct. And we have methyl group at third carbon atom. So the name for this compound would be 3-methyl pent 2-ene. All right. Example 5, we have the longest carbon chain, which is 6 carbon atom long. So it is hexene. Now let us see from which end we can number. We can number either from this end or from the opposite end, which is written in red. Now we are getting the least number to alkene as second when we number from the red end, and hence numbering written in red is correct. So now we have 2 methyl substituents, which is at position 3 and 4. So the name for this compound would be 3,4 dimethyl hex 2-ene. Thank you. In next video, we will see IUPAC nomenclature for alkyne compounds. So stay tuned with us. Please like, share, and subscribe our videos so that we will get motivation to create more such content.